In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Monday.com. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. First things first, open your web browser and go to Monday.com. That's the core platform where all the magic happens. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in to access your workspace. So, click on the Login button. Now, for those taking the Google route for convenience, click on Google and sign in with your Google account credentials. This is a fast and secure way to get started. Once you're logged into your dashboard in Monday.com, the next step is to navigate over to the Contacts board. This is your space where all the client information is neatly organized, making it a practical choice for managing your files. If you are unsure where it is, there's usually a search option or a menu from which you can access various boards. Select the Contacts board from there. Now that you're on the Contacts board, open up a specific client contact page. Think of this page as your digital filing cabinet. Here, you'll see a rundown of client details, and it's where you can intuitively manage client-specific files. It should be pretty straightforward if you have used Monday.com before. Look for the project or client you're dealing with. That sets the context. With the contact page open, navigate to the top section of this page and click on the Update tab. This is the digital equivalent of a sticky note, where notes and files concerning this particular client or project are stored. Once you're in there, it's time to attach your files. Find the paperclip icon, which is universally recognized for attachments, and give it a click. This initiates the process of uploading your file. A menu appears with options to add your file. Here, select From Computer. It's the quickest way to pull a file directly from your device. Your computer's File Explorer will pop up, allowing you to browse through your files, navigate through folders if necessary, until you locate the file you wish to upload. Select the file by double-clicking or pressing Open. At this point, your chosen file is queued to be uploaded to Monday.com. You will see it ready to go in the Update section. To finalize the process and ensure your file is saved, click on Update. This confirms the file is uploaded to the client contact page and can now accompany any further updates or documentation you decide to add. That's all there is to it. Simple, right? We have just successfully uploaded a file into Monday.com, ensuring our client records are fully up to date and easily accessible. Thanks for joining me today, and keep practicing to make the most out of your Monday.com workspace.